Ever wished your Dropbox files were just a click away while surfing the web with Torch? Today, we're diving into exactly that: how to seamlessly integrate Dropbox into your Torch browser experience, making cloud access faster and more convenient than ever before. The key to unlocking this integration lies in finding the right Dropbox extension or add-on compatible with Torch. Navigate to your browser's extensions or add-ons section. You can usually find this through the Torch browser's menu, often represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner, then selecting Extensions or Add-ons. Once you're in the Extensions store, use the search bar to type in Dropbox, browse through the available options, looking for extensions that specifically mention compatibility with Torch or are generally designed for Chrome-based browsers, as Torch is built on Chromium. You'll want to choose an extension that seems reputable, perhaps with good user ratings and reviews. Once you've found a suitable one, click the button to add to Torch or install it. The browser will likely ask for your permission to install the extension and grant it certain permissions. Review these, and if you're comfortable, click Add Extension or Allow to proceed. Congratulations! You should now see a new Dropbox icon appear in your Torch browser's toolbar, usually near the address bar. Clicking this icon will prompt you to log in to your Dropbox account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be able to browse your Dropbox files directly within the Torch browser. You can open documents, view images, and download files without leaving your current browsing session. This integration means you can effortlessly access your cloud documents, share links, or upload files to Dropbox while you're researching, working, or simply browsing the web with Torch. No more switching between tabs or applications just to grab a file. And that's how you integrate Dropbox into your Torch browsing experience. For super fast cloud file access, happy browsing!